Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to change password on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now currently I don't have a password on my smartphone. Now if you want to apply a password on your smartphone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on lock screen. Now from here just tap on screen lock type. Now as you can see, the current lock type is none, which means I currently don't have a lock screen. Now for an example, if you want to set a pattern for your lock screen, just tap on pattern. Now from here just enter your pattern, tap on continue. Now from here just enter the pattern again just to confirm. Now from here just tap on confirm. Now from here tap on done. Now as you can see, this is how you can set a password on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now if you want to change the password on the Samsung Galaxy A16, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on lock screen. Now from here, as you can see, the screen lock type is pattern. Just tap on screen lock type. Now from here just enter your current pattern. Now from here, if you want to change the password, just select the type of password you want. For an example, we will set a PIN. Now from here just enter the PIN. Tap on next. Now from here tap on use anyway. Now from here just enter the PIN again and tap on OK. Now from here tap on OK. Now as you can see, this is how you can change the password on your Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.